Let us continue electrochemistry subjective type numerical. 10th question we'll see. In the 10th question, let us read. The pKsp of silver iodide is 16.07. Here given is pKsp. pKsp of silver iodide is 16.07 given. If the E0 value for Ag plus bar Ag is 0.7991 volt given, find out E0 for the off reaction. The given off reaction is AgI solid. AgI solid plus electron gives Ag plus I minus. Now here see, electron is there in the left side, therefore it is a reduction of reaction. For this reduction of reaction, what we have to find in the sense E0 we have to find. For which another E0 given. What is another E0 in the sense Ag plus bar Ag E0 is given. Now see that Ag plus bar Ag, this E0 is given. Now for this off reaction E0 is asked. Now this Ag plus bar Ag E0 is given. It is also silver only now. So for this E0 and for this E0 will be same or different. They have given for this E0 they are asking in the sense there should be some difference, otherwise they will not ask. Then what is the difference that we'll see here? Ag plus, this Ag plus in the sense it is in aqueous solution. This Ag plus in the sense it is in aqueous solution. Aqueous solution means, for example, silver nitrate solution. So in the silver nitrate solution, Ag plus is converting into Ag here. But in this case, this AgI is insoluble salt. AgI is insoluble salt. In this insoluble salt, Ag plus is converting into Ag. That means this electrode and this electrode, if you see, they are different electrodes. This is called a metal ion electrode. It is called metal ion electrode. This is what in the sense this is what in the sense metal insoluble salt anion of cell. This is what in the sense metal insoluble salt anion of cell. It is what in the sense metal ion electrode. Therefore this is metal ion of cell. This is what means metal insoluble salt anion of cell. This difference is there. Since it is insoluble salt, solubility product is given. Okay, so solubility product is given here in terms of pKsp. E0 value for metal ion electrode and E0 for metal insoluble salt anion of cell. They are asking metal insoluble salt anion of cell. They are asking. So how to find this we will see. Now let us see. We have seen the question. We will continue how to find, how to do this sum. We will see. Now what are the given data that we will write? Given data we will write here. One data given is pKsp. One data given value is what in the sense pKsp is given. pKsp of what? Salt in the sense silver iodide, that is equal to 16.07. Cell. What is pKsp? That we will see. What is pKsp? That point we will see. pKsp and Ksp. What is the relation do you feel? pKsp and Ksp. What is the relation? pKsp and Ksp. Is there any relation do you feel? pKsp and Ksp. Any relation do you think? That is that we will see. pKsp is equal to minus log of Ksp. Minus log of Ksp. Sir, okay. Now Ksp in the sense solubility product. Solubility product of what in the sense silver iodide. For this, how to write equation in the sense, write silver iodide in the left side and take it as a solid, and right side you take ions in aqueous solution. Ions you take Ag plus aqueous and I minus aqueous. Now solubility product Ksp is equal to what we can say in the sense concentration of Ag plus into concentration of I minus. Solubility product Ksp is equal to what we can say in the sense concentration of Ag plus into concentration of I minus. That we can say. Sir, okay. This is over. Next, what is the given data in the sense E0 for Ag plus bar Ag. E0 for Ag plus bar Ag given, that is 0.7991 volt. 0.7991 volt. This is Ag plus bar Ag. E0 for Ag plus bar Ag. What is the meaning of this one? We will see. We will take electrolytic solution. What is the electrolytic solution? Here is silver nitrate solution. we are taking electrolytic solution, that is silver nitrate solution we are taking. Then we will dip silver electrode here. We will dip silver electrode. We will dip silver electrode. It is Ag plus bar. Ag means electrode will be like this. For this off reaction, in the sense Ag plus takes electron and gives Ag. Suppose reduction. Like this we will write. Next, what is question asked? That we'll see. Question asked is Agi solid plus electron. Agi solid plus electron gives Ag plus and Ag and I minus. Ag and I minus. It is solid. It is aqueous. For this, what we have to find? We have to find E naught. We have to find E naught for this. How this electrode will be there? That point we'll see. For which we are taking silver wire. It is silver wire. Here what means silver metal foil. Silver metal foil. This silver metal foil is coated with what means silver iodide. It is coated with silver iodide. Silver iodide coating. Here what coating, in the sense silver iodide coating is given. Silver iodide coating is given. Next, this is dipped in which one, in the sense I minus aqueous. I minus aqueous in the sense potassium iodide. Potassium iodide solution. Now see that this is what, in the sense silver wire. You are taking, it is a silver wire. It is a silver metal foil. Silver metal foil. It is coated with silver iodide. Silver iodide. It is dipped in I minus solution. I minus solution means potassium iodide solution. So here metal is silver. Insoluble salt is silver iodide. Anion is I minus. So metal, insoluble salt, anion, off cell. That off cell only this. That means silver iodide here is there. That silver iodide we have taken. In this silver iodide, Ag is having plus 1. That Ag plus 1 takes 1 electron and becomes Ag. This I minus is remaining, that we have written. For this they are asking E naught. Now see, this electrode and this electrode are different. This electrode and this electrode are different. So for this E naught, different. So for this E naught is given. Now they are asking E naught for this. Sorry, okay. How to find E naught for this? That we will see. How to find E naught? Okay. So we have to find E naught for which of reaction? The which of reaction we have to find E naught? AgI solid plus electron gives Ag solid plus I minus aqueous. I minus aqueous. For this we have to find E naught. For this we have to find E naught. Sorry, okay. What is given, in the sense solubility product is given. They have given, and another thing is what means solubility product. Solubility product. So for solubility product, how to write equation? For solubility product, we will write equation AgI gives Ag plus aqueous, and I minus aqueous. It is solubility product. Solubility product is given. This value we know. This value we know. Solubility product is given. Okay. We know the solubility product. This value we know. They are asking this E naught. Now let us compare this off reaction and this we will compare. This is off reaction because left side electron is there. This you see, left side no electrons, right side also no electrons. Therefore, it is the full reaction. It may be cell reaction also. This may be cell reaction also. Whether it is cell reaction or not, how to understand, that we'll see. Here right side I minus is there. Here also right side I minus is there. Here left side silver iodide is there. Here also left side silver iodide is there. Here right side silver is there. That is not there in the cell reaction. So let us cancel this silver. How to cancel this silver? In the sense, by writing silver in the left side. By writing silver in the left side. Okay. By writing silver in the left side. Now in the cell reaction, Ag plus aqueous is there. In this off reaction, Ag plus aqueous not there. So let us write Ag plus aqueous in the new off reaction. In the right side we will write, in order to get in the right side in the cell reaction. Then this Ag is converting into Ag plus by losing electron. Now we will take this as a off reaction. Why? Because right side electron is there. So this is one off reaction. It is another off reaction. It is a cell reaction. We said, can we get this cell reaction by using these two off reactions or not? We will check. We will check that one. Now here one electron cancels. This silver cancels. This AgI we are writing. This AgI we have written. This Ag plus we have written. This I minus we have written. Therefore, it is a cell reaction. Because it is anodic of reaction, it is cathodic of reaction. On adding these two of reactions, we got cell reaction. So we can say it is the anode. We can say it is the anode. We can say it is the cathode. It is the cathode. We can say it is the cell reaction. We can say it is the cell reaction. We can say, okay. Next we will see. Next they're asking E naught for this. E naught for this. For this it is oxidation, so we will take SOP. SOP of anode will take. SOP of anode is how much in the sense minus 0.7991 volt. They have given in the question, they have given the value, that is SRP. Now we have taken as SOP. Okay. Now you see that for this equation, for this cell reaction, we know the equilibrium constant. For this cell reaction, we know the equilibrium constant, that is Ksp is given. For this, we know the E naught value. For this, we have to find E naught. So what formula we can take? You think what formula shall we take? E naught cell is equal to 0.059 by n log right side we will write in the numerator, that is Ag plus aqueous into I minus aqueous. Left side we need not consider because it is solid cell. Next this E naught cell. This E naught cell is equal to what we can say in the sense SOP of anode plus SRP of cathode plus SRP of cathode. Okay. Now SOP of anode is given, that is minus 0.7991 volt. This SRP of cathode is the question. We have to find that. SRP of cathode we have to find it. So let us substitute that value. SRP of cathode we have to find it. So we will substitute minus 0.7991 volt plus SRP of cathode is equal to minus 0.059 by n into minus of log Ksp. Like that I have written. In this, do you have any doubt? You see that now concentration of Ag plus into concentration of I minus is called Ksp. This log we have written, and here 1 minus, therefore plus. So we got like this value. Okay, next step we will see minus 0.7991 volt plus SRP of cathode is equal to minus 0.059 by n. N is equal to how much? Means number of moles of electrons you see here 1, here also 1. That means number of moles of electrons transferred is 1. Minus log Ksp is called Pksp. Minus log Ksp is called Pksp. Now you see that Pksp value is given. You see 16.07 is given. Pksp value is given. So we know that Pksp value, this value we know, that is how much means 16.07. Now let us calculate this one. Now SOP of anode we are writing 0.79 minus 0.7991 volt plus SRP of cathode. Cathode is what in the sense cathode standard potential we have written. In cathode we have taken silver iodide. In silver iodide this Ag plus is converting into what in the sense Ag, and I minus is the aqueous solution. I minus aqueous solution, that is equal to minus 0.059 by 1. Pksp is how much? Means Pksp is 16.07. Now we will simplify. We will get E naught for I minus bar Agi bar Ag. This we are getting it is how much in the sense minus 0.1490 volt. Minus 0.1490 volt. You understand that here Agi, in this Agi, Ag plus is converting into Ag, that is called reduction. Now this AgI is in contact with what? I minus solution. That means potassium iodide solution. They are asking a answer for a SRP of this electrode reaction only. They asked this for this electrode reaction, what is the E naught value? For this electrode reaction, what is the E naught value? They are asking. That's what we got. Okay. We got a answer for this question.